Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about veteran investor Sandip Sabharwal's very high quality top stock pick for the next 10 years. Now friends, if you like the content that we produce on our channel, please don't forget to like this video, share these videos, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please click on the red subscribe button. This will help you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Please watch this video to know more about this stock. Now the company in question is Havells India Limited, which is available at Rs 638.70 and the face value for it is 1. The symbol for it is HAVELLS. Now Havells India Limited engages in the development of electrical and power distribution equipment. It operates through the following segments, which are switch gears, cables, lighting and fixtures, electrical consumer durables, and Lloyd Consumer. Now looking at the 1-year chart, this company has not really created any major wealth for its shareholders and has generally trended lower. The company has a market capitalization of 39,970.03 crores, which means that this company is a large cap one. The EPS of 12.01 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 53.18, which is much more expensive when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 44.91. The price to book ratio of 9.48 is also very high. The company has a low debt to equity of 0.0032, whereas the dividend yield stands at 0.70%. The promoter holding is a strong number at 59.52%, none of which is blessed. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.